Hi, I am Dr. S. Samir Pasha, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, Government First Grade College, Devanhalli. In this video, I am going to explain you about the meaning of direct democracy and its methods. Meaning, direct democracy is also known as pure democracy. In this form of government, people can express their views directly and participate in the deliberative and administrative affairs of the government. People enjoy all powers of lawmaking. All powers of lawmaking. In the words of Garner, a direct democracy is one in which the will of the people is expressed and formulated directly through the people. Here, people assemble in a common place and formulate the laws. This type of democracy was prevalent in the city-states of ancient Greece and Rome. Direct democracy is still prevalent in some small cantons of Switzerland. In direct democracy, popular control is possible through the following methods. The methods can be discussed one by one. Let us discuss one by one. The first one, it is also called as the features of direct democracy or methods of direct democracy. Number one, popular initiative. It means people's power to propose revision of the constitution. It provides for direct participation of the people in the affairs of the state. This method is followed in Switzerland nowadays. A second important method of direct democracy, referendum. It is also considered as an important feature of direct democracy. If the government wants to bring any legislation, the matter will be referred to the people for approval. It is called as a referendum. Third important method of direct democracy is recall. Recall means call back. According to this device, the voters can call back their elected representatives or officers who ignore their duties. It upholds the sovereignty of the people. It makes the representatives and officers responsible and responsive to their electorate for their acts. Fourth important method of direct democracy is plebiscite. Plebiscite. It is also an important device of direct democracy. It means ascertaining the opinion of the people on important political matters. It is so important that once plebiscite is expressed by the people, it is final and no alterations can be made upon them. This cannot be adopted in normal times and it is also not part and parcel of lawmaking process. That is the fourth important method. The above direct popular checks are not much practicable today as majority of the states have adopted indirect democracy. So there are some important methods which practiced in some cantons of Switzerland as a method of direct democracy, as a matter of direct democracy. Thank you.